Morning and welcome to day 3 in Krakow. We're now south of Wawel Castle, that's Wawel Castle behind me, and we're now heading towards the FiTSTILL river, down towards the Jewish quarter and the old group where the old ghetto used to be. So we're heading down that way at the moment, looking for somewhere for breakfast, as it's Sunday and most places don't open until 10 or 11 o'clock, and it's currently 9:30. So come with us on a day of wandering around the southern part of Krakow. Right, so we're trying something different this morning. We are going on the tram. It's cost us 6 zlotys to get across to the Jewish quarter and where the old ghetto was. So Claire wants to go and look at the Oskar Schindler enamel factory. So we'll see if we get there now, because we got on the wrong tram. We end up something completely different. But come with us on an excursion around Krakow. Famous chimney bakery, but it's not open on a Sunday.
Because it is cold.
Yes, it's cold enough today that I've got to wear a jumper. That's saying something, isn't it? So we just wait for this tram now and let's see where we end up. Currently now on the tram, heading across Krakow city. That old building with this cat.
Huh?
That old building with this cat.
Barbershop.
Yes, didn't get much viewing from the tram as my battery ran out, so I changed battery mid-run. What I thought was a 30-minute round turned out to be 12 minutes. So we're now on the opposite side of the river in the Jewish quarter, what used to be the old ghetto back in the Second World War. And we're now heading towards Oskar Schindler's enamel factory. And of course we all know it was made famous by Steven Spielberg and the film Schindler's List. I assume so. It closed in 1974, did it? So, just completed a tour of the Oskar Schindler factory. I was expecting a bit more on enamel making, perhaps, but its main concentration on German occupation and persecution in the ghetto, which we already knew about. Hence we've been to Ghetto Square, or Freedom Square, whatever it's called in the ghetto. So like I say, so it's quite an interesting view, shall we say, and a lot of the stuff we already knew, but it's an interesting experience because it wasn't what I expected the tour to be in the factory. afternoon. We're just sitting outside the old town having a 5-minute breather because Claire's finding it hard to breathe today, even though it's a nice warmish dry day in Krakow. Like I say, we just come over from the other side of the river where you've got Hero Square and the Oscar Schindler factory was, and we had a coffee and a croissant there, and we now are on our way back over to the old town. Come to a coffee shop that I didn't realise whether it was a coffee shop, cake shop or whatever, but it transpires to be a coffee and cake shop. So we've ordered one apple cake between us. Good job it is only one because it's that big. And what are you drinking?
It's called an emergency tea. Basically it's ginger tea and fruit. It's nice.
Claire's on the emergency tea, which is ginger tea and fruit, because her chest is literally gone off the rails today. So, buon appetito, as they say.
Definitely, you like it.
Yeah. It's definitely a nice apple cake. That's ice cream.
Yeah.
Are you wearing it?
Yep.
Yeah, very nice. You can film on POD.
Try it, do.
You didn't have the cream in it. You gotta go ice cream, cream, cake.
Oh, yes.
Yes, back on my diet tomorrow. Right. Well, sun's out in Krakow, and shall we say, Krakow is running.
Sun's out.
Krakow is running. It's rammed, isn't it?
Rammed it.
Millions, yeah. Absolutely. I've never seen it so busy all weekend. Absolutely packed. Heading back to the hotel for the last time as we're getting ready to pack to catch our flight back to the UK after a fabulous time in Krakow. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.